My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal. I am an author of the 10 English books I have written so far. As time to time, I have shown all these books. So today we will discuss about the marriage of Aisha bint Abu Bakr, who was the daughter of the first Caliph Abu Bakr Siddiqui. Siddiqui means a true believer. Means he was so stupid that he given his daughter to an old man of 54 years old. And when Aisha bint Abu Bakr or Aisha was only 9 years old, when this lustful prophet Muhammad consummated this daughter at the age of 9. So Nupur Sharma stated the correct according to hadith, but the coward BJP people was not save the Aisha statement, which is true according to hadith. आजा 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 So Nupur Sharma statement was the correct as per the hadith. The hadith is in Nikah, wedlock marriage, the chapter the marrying of daughter of father of a ruler, that the prophet named her when she was 6 years old, and he consummated his marriage when she was 9 years old. Hisham said, I have been informed that Aisha remained with the prophet for 9 years till his death. Means this is the Sahih Bukhari, book number 67, Hadith 17, or Sahih Bukhari 5134. This is the reference. So many hadith wedlock of the Aisha is present. Aisha marriage. So we will discuss about the another hadith. Hadith means description, which was written by the Muslim scholars. It is very astonished that in Islam, this is total stupidity that there no question arise an Islamic scholar, because a scholar means an intelligent person, but this Islam is a stupidity, well-known stupidity, well-known violence, well-known agonism or the hooliganism of those which are the followers of the so-called Prophet Muhammad, or they are following the teaching of Muhammad. So many Islamic scholars stated that Aisha was young woman at the age of 9. This is not truth. Science, even in Saudi Arabia, the marriage age is, I think, 16 or 17, not 9 years old. Imagine what is the body or physical structure of the 9 years old woman or the girl, child. Aisha was just child when she was married to Prophet Muhammad, 6-year-old child. And even very astonished fact that the father of Aisha was younger than Muhammad, 2 years. This is the stupidity of the Islam, that who will disclose the Islamic hooliganism or the Gulism, these goons will threat to you. But this is not time to afraid of this stupidity or the Gunism. Certainly, if Islam allows to kill the non-Muslims, we have no option except the fight against this hooliganism which is known as Islam. Muhammad was the lustful person. Muhammad was the Ayas in Hindi. So when he dragged out from the Medina and went to drag out from the Mecca or went to Medina, he chose so many vagabonds, so many street wanderer or the Awara people who had no work, but they are master in the killing, robbery, and the rape with the woman. This is why Muhammad chose all the companions of the Muhammad in the beginning were certified robber, killer, and the rapist. And Muhammad also provided to a platform in the name of Islam for these Gunism or the hooliganism as the rape, killing, or robbery. So many hadiths which has disclosed the actual age of Aisha. So we will read the another hadith. And when Sadan bint Juha Jama grew old, she gave her day to Allah Aisha. And the messenger of Allah went to Aisha on Sauda's day. So when Sauda bint Jama grew old, Sauda bint grew old, she gave her day to Aisha. He gave her days to Aisha, and messenger of Allah went to Aisha Sauda day, और मैसेंजर ऑफ अल्लाह वेंट टू द आयसा. ये है बुक 9 हदीस 123. रेफरेंस है सुनान इबन माजा 1972 वॉल्यूम 3 बुक 9 हदीस 1972. Sauda bint Jaina gave up her turn to me. This is the Sauda bint Jaina give her turn to the Aisha. Means Muhammad was slept with Aisha in the age of 9, and so Prophet used to give me Aisha. So Prophet used to give me Aisha both my day and the day of Sauda. Because Sauda was old woman. Muhammad was not interested intercourse with Sauda, and Sauda was the older than the more oldest wife of the living wife at that time when the Aisha bint Abu Bakr was married to Muhammad. Aisha bint Bakr was married to Muhammad, but Muhammad married to Aisha bint Abu Bakr at the age of 9. So what this say? This say Muhammad was the sexy person. He was the Ayas. The second Hadith Sahih Muslim book of Drinka. Aisha reported Allah Messenger, may peace upon him, as saying, Aisha, a family which have no dates in her house, its member will be hungry. Aisha, the family which have no dates, its member may be hungry, he said. Even after, in this hadith, it has been stated, after looting, permanent robbery incident by Muhammad, there was no food for the Muhammad house, because it is well proverb that चोरों के कभी घर नहीं बनते हैं, चोरी का माल मोरी में. तो मोहम्मद एक बहुत बड़े रॉबर थे. ही वाज द रॉबर. So we say after reading the hadith that Aisha bint Abu Bakr was 9 years old and Muhammad was 54 years old. And when Muhammad was died, he was only 18 years old. And Muhammad also blamed that Aisha bint Abu Bakr had relation with some young woman of her age. Because when she was left behind in a Karwa, when the Muhammad was going towards the Medina, when he went forward to Medina, he saw behind back there was no Aisha. Then after some time, Aisha was riding on the camel with a young man of the Muslim young man. Then Muhammad asked, what was happened? He said, my ring was loosened or stolen by anybody. Then the Muhammad afraid, because he was an old man, he was afraid that illicit relation must be with Aisha bint Abu Bakr with this young man who is riding with Aisha in a same camel or the camel riding. So Aisha was very innocent girl. He was most ill-fated girl, though the Islamic scholar stated that the Aisha was very lucky woman. Why the Aisha was very lucky woman? He was the most persecuted woman by Muhammad, because at the age of 9 he was raped Muhammad so many times, and at the age of 9, and when she was matured at the age of 18, Muhammad was died. Means Allah never give time to Muhammad to enjoy the nikah or the marriage with Aisha bint Abu Bakr after his maturity age. This is why Aisha bint Abu Bakr had no issue. Otherwise, Aisha would be died in the first pregnancy or at the time of birth of the child. So, this is in which a old man attracts with the young or the child girls known as the pedophile. Muhammad was mentally disturbed and so many diseases were inhibits in his body. Psychologically, he was a frustrated person. हो गया हो गया So Muhammad was mentally retired person. He was the patient of the epilepsy or the mirgi, and this is why he was so frustrated that he always, due to his uh, pedophilic habit, he always raped the young woman, age of 17, Juharia, Safia, and it is the extreme pedophilic sign in Muhammad that he was raped with Aisha bint Abu Bakr, though she was engaged or marriage or the nikah nama with Muhammad. But this must be think that Muhammad was type of the prophet. He was interested in the sexual desire every time. So he was not a spiritual. He was just a robber, killer, and rapist. And this self-proclaimed prophet is not be icon or ideal for any good person or an intelligent person or any civil society person. The Muhammad may be the icon of those who are following the teaching of the Islam, which is on the robbers, killers, and rapists. So we can say that a true Muslim is a rapist, killer, or a robber if he is following the exact path of Muhammad. So this is my video for you. Thank you very much. See you.